Here it is, the heavy wind. That's right. Here it is, the heavy wind. Here it is, the heavy wind. Here it is, the heavy wind. Dolly's trash can. What time did that happen? Dolly's trash can fell down. Figure about 2:40 or 2:39 p.m. Dolly's trash can fell down. Here it is, the heavy wind. That's right, the heavy wind. Look at that. Here it is, the heavy wind. Here it is, the heavy wind. Here it comes, the heavy wind. That's right, the heavy wind. Here it comes. Here comes the heavy wind. Where is it blowing from? Here it is. The wind. Dolly's trash can got knocked down by the heavy wind. Here it is. The wind. There's a crow on a tree. A crow on a tree. A crow sitting in a tree. And here comes the heavy wind. That's right, the heavy wind. Look at what it left. Here it is, the heavy wind. That's right, the heavy wind. Here it is, the heavy wind. Another evidence, the flower pot, knocked over by the heavy wind. Whoa, look at that. Oh, darn. The crow got the bread. Where'd it go? Here's another one. Two crows in a tree. And And here comes the heavy wind. But where is it blowing from? I don't know. Oh, here's another one. Here it is, the wind. That's right, the wind. Another evidence. What is this? Ooh. Here it is. The heavy wind. Here it is. The heavy wind. There you have it. The heavy wind. That's right. The heavy wind.